So today's plan got off to a bit of a rocky start. I need to wait for my dad to come back with the pump because it turns out I had the tyres way too low. So, hold on, people coming up here now. Okay, so I found the Pierce Museum, so I was going to go float around that garden. So we're going to cycle to there, cycle around there, and then we're going to cycle around some housing estates. Just to extend the videos, I'm just going to do 8-minute videos going there. So you're going to see what, like, you know, normal housing estates look like in Ireland. Man, this ride is a bit bumpier since the tyres are low. But hopefully with the tyres being at a proper pressure, I get a bit more out of the battery kit. So less strain on that. Plus I'm able to cycle it a bit more, it's just uphill. I'm having it on and I'll switch it off. So should have loads of content after today. Yeah, and I'm in Singapore, or actually I'm probably in Kuala Lumpur by the time this goes up. So I'll be putting some videos up of that too. So I'm really hoping that I don't have too much pressure in the tyres and it goes pop. It said 75 to 80. So I put in like 65, and then when you release the valve, a little bit of air pops out as well. So yeah, I never knew they went that high. Like I was thinking like car pressure or tyres is like 25 to 40 psi. I was like, oh, well, the bike must be like, you know, 5. So more people, more traffic, more fun, more danger. Oh, I can turn this off down to medium. Oh, medium. There we go. And a bit more flat. So you get a bit of exercise in, you know. Just don't want too much of a strain. It's a beautiful day here in Dublin. I think they estimate it's 24 to 26 degrees today. Currently it's about 20. It's 11 o'clock in the morning, Sunday morning. Just how to get this done, get me lunch, edit videos, upload videos. You're gonna cut that, aren't you? So, we'll see how the day goes. Beautiful sunny day. I have sun cream on, factor 50. Please. You know it's bad, you have to wear 50 in Ireland. And I know you've probably seen this route before because I've come down here at least 3 times. But the bike won't fit into the car unless I take the wheel off, and that's where the engine is, so that's a bit of a problem. So I'm only able to really do cycling tours around where I am, and I thought I'd start it now. Just kind of give you an introduction what the next 10 or 11 videos are going to be like. So, let's see here if we're about to die. No, not yet. That's the button. Seems like a lot of traffic here. Everyone's going the M50. There we go. I don't see anyone coming this way, so we should be fine this way. Yeah, so over the M50 again. I don't know I should turn it off actually. Oh, there we go. It's a little bit of a kick. So this is again. And that is gone. So I should be able to fly through here. No cars coming. Don't know why I feel like I'm telling you this, just so you don't think I'm a lunatic or anything. Yeah, a lot of people are going to take advantage of the weather, you know. Go to places, go out for a walk, bring the dog. It's beautiful weather. We've had overcast now the last couple of days, couple of weeks actually probably. Due to my current financial situation, saving basically all my wages, don't really have much to go out and do much. I decided to splurge a bit yesterday, and that was the Avondale. I'm still kind of, I don't know. Probably recommend it to family people or something like that, but that's my friends. And my biggest concern here is the helmet that I'm wearing. It doesn't fully protect the skin, so there is a chance that I could get sunburned on the top of my head. Now I have sun cream on, but if I'm sweating it off, so I might have to reapply that at some stage. But standing still is very hot. But cycling, it's lovely. Like, it's like I'm in shorts. Oh, you'll probably see my shorts. Oh jeez, sorry. So sorry for you having to see my legs. I just realised that now. I do apologise, people. Hey, if it gets me more views, you know. Have a look at my sexy legs. Whoa, 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 whoa. Had a boat time. Take it easy as well. It's a lovely warm sunny day. Sunday. So I'm not rushing to get anywhere. I hope you like the town one. I just didn't want to go into town because I felt like it would be a bit crazy today. I would have went in earlier. But I said I wanted to do this Pierce Museum place for last week or the week before. I cycled right past it. Like, you're not going to believe where it actually is. I didn't actually have to go uphill to actually get to it, which, you know, it's a bit of a killer, but, you know, we're here now. We're gonna do it. So I said I'll do here and then probably cycle. You know what, we're gonna start off here, we're just gonna cycle down this.